So we bought an abandoned house. And as you walk in, there is a bathroom right here, or there used to be. There's the old kitchen and the dining area. We've got a sunroom, which is pretty nice. So this wall will come out and we will extend the kitchen all the way through and have one giant long kitchen. So basically it'll be all the way down through here. We'll have a pantry in the corner, remove that window, and it'll be a nice open space. We have the dungeon down there. The old fireplace was here, but we've taken the chimney out. And there is the wood stove. And we've got a little bonus room here. I don't know what this was used for, maybe a dining room, but I don't know. There was a coat closet there. That'll be gone. And then now we've got a little chute from the attic all the way down. So it could be a laundry chute, right? As we go upstairs, you can see this beautiful carpet. We've taken most of it up now. And we walk right into the master. And the master is a pretty odd shape. We've got it long, narrow, lots of windows, which is great, but it's hard to place anything in the room. We've taken apart the closet. This will be one giant closet. This wall will come out and we'll extend the closet down that way a couple of feet further. You can see where the old chimney had leaked. Another reason we took the chimney out. There was lots of problems with it and we didn't need it with the new heating system. And then here we have what used to be the master bathroom, but I can't imagine anyone fitting in the shower. It's about 2 feet wide and was very, very narrow. So we had a vanity here and then a toilet there. So you basically walked in and showered, washed your hands, and used the toilet all at the same time. But this wall is gonna come out and we'll extend this whole thing to be a master bathroom. So this was the second full bathroom. There was a tub here, there was a vanity, and I have old pictures that I'll post here, but there was some really funky design choices here. So like I said over here, this will be the master bathroom. Shower over here, we'll have a tub in this area here. This wall over here will get framed off and we'll have a double vanity along here. And we will also have some storage space over there. But really funky, they had all of this space here for the other bathroom that was just unused and it could have been a much bigger shower. So odd choices, but we're gonna fix that. As we walk down to the 2 other bedrooms upstairs here, they're pretty small. This is gonna turn into a laundry room. It'll be a little bit smaller because we're gonna extend the master bathroom over to here a little bit. So this will be a laundry room. This will become a hallway. So we're putting an addition over the garage, which is right here, as you can see. So this will basically all be a second floor above the garage, connected to the house here and right to here. So this will be part of the house and we'll have 2 bedrooms over the garage. We'll have a little office space here and then we'll have a full bathroom on that side of the house. And then the hallway goes to connect to the other bedrooms. And this room that I'm standing in will become a large office space. So it's a pretty good size bedroom, but it'll become a nice size office space. And yeah, that's pretty much what we've got going on here. We do have a bit of work on the exterior, such as windows, roof, and siding. This place has got so much rot on the exterior we've got to fix. So let's jump down and look at that. So just looking at the garage again, you can see the doors need to be replaced, needless to say. And there's plenty of rot up here. There was a fire, it looks like, in the electrical outlet. All of the electrical is going to be replaced in the building. But yeah, you can see here, there's rot right there. There was bushes covering all of these windows. I'll show pictures. This rot just goes straight through. And where that orange foam is, it was straight through to the bit. You could see into the basement. So all of this needs to come out and be replaced. You can see more rot around the windows, just rot everywhere you look from not being maintained. And then here's where it really gets funky. The one side of the house I never finished painting, and you can see up here we have all kinds of woodpecker holes. But yeah, coming around the back of the house doesn't get any better. Let's see, you can see above there, plenty of rot. This window is literally falling out of the casement because it's rotted apart. Like, you can just put your finger inside. Now you're inside. So obviously gotta replace that. Rot. The window's broken apart. Good thing we're replacing it. And then here, so we've got rot up there. We've got a little bit of rot here. As you can see, the door doesn't have a sill. You can see right inside, and the bottom of the door is laying on the exterior. So that's not good. But yeah, that's our project here. And if you want to follow the updates, then just follow along, subscribe, and we'll keep you updated.